Hi, I'm Jean Jenkins with Vacationland Realty, and I'm here today at 546 Broadway in Bangor. This property has a 2-car garage with high ceilings, and it also has a barn. The roof has been re-shingled. It has all new windows. You have a garden spot over there or more parking, whichever you'd want to use it for. You have a side yard. It's a new deck. The kitchen has all new cabinetry. It's got honed granite counters here and in the bathrooms. That's the original light that was found in the attic and kept and repurposed. It's got hardwood floors. This is a brand new half bath. How beautiful this woodwork is. Look at how pretty the floors came out. So the floors and the woodwork down on the first level are the original. The property was gutted right down to the studs and laths and then redone. So all of your electrical is brand new, as well as a new natural gas furnace that is very efficient. So if you're going to use this building for an office, like I did, then this is a great office space. This would be your conference room. And then if you were going to use this for a home, you would use that as your dining room or make the kitchen bigger. And then this could be a dining room or your casual living room with your formal living room up here by the front door. So another idea is if you wanted to make this into a 3-unit, you could put a wall right here, put a door at the top of the stairs here, and then another wall up there with a door, or down here. You could close off this right here, keep it as office space down below, or make that into an apartment. And then you also have this side entrance. So if this door was closed, you could put a door back on here, or you'd have a wall right here, and then, or even over here. You have a heated porch. And again, all of those windows are new. That ceiling is new. You've got convenient MD across the street in case you have medical issues, or if a physician or some other type of business wanted to be here. You're close to the grocery store, shopping, downtown Bangor, the interstate. You can hop on the interstate very easily and go wherever you want to go. So this property also, remember, it was gutted right down to the laths, so it has all new sheetrock. There is one pinhole in the walls, and that's it. So upstairs, the woodwork was recreated to be like the downstairs. It has the original doors that were kept. All of the lighting is also new. We've exposed all of the chimney, which is not being used. So you could use this as an office, or you could put a kitchen right here. And then this would be a big closet, or you could actually close it off and have a desk in here for an assistant, and then you'd have privacy for your meetings. This is a big closet. Again, that would be, you could make an entrance, exit out that way. Again, we have the exposed brick. This bathroom is brand new as well. The shower and tub has never been used. How pretty that tile job is. And you have another bedroom or office over here, just to give you a location of where you're at. And this over here could be a big closet or a great place for storage. And then you have the front room here, which is really quite large. And then you have a nice big room up here, which you could possibly make into an apartment as well, and have a door out through there, or configure it down through that window downstairs or from the side here. My thoughts were to have an efficient kitchen here and a bath here. It's TJ Maxx right up there, and the grocery store. Bangor High is right up the street. If you hopped on the interstate, then you would get right to the University of Maine. We have Husson College down the street, or Husson University. Husson College when I went there. So again, if you'd like to see this listing or any other property, give me a call. Jean Jenkins, Vacationland Realty, area code 207-745-4939. 4522. VacationlandRealty@gmail.com. We also have the basement with side entrance. This is a full concrete basement. There's your new natural gas furnace, which is high efficiency. You have a cedar closet here. You have a circuit breaker panel. Newer hot water heater. Again, Jean Jenkins, Vacationland Realty, 207-745-4522. I look forward to hearing from you.